Wix Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Wix Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator, focusing on its features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you decide if it's the right tool for your business. Links to the platform and related resources are included in the description below for your convenience. The Wix Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is a robust solution that enables Wix store owners to connect with top dropshipping marketplaces like AliExpress, Modalist, Spocket, and more. One of its primary features is seamless product importing, allowing you to add products from various suppliers directly to your Wix store in just a few clicks. It also supports automatic order fulfillment, which means orders placed on your store are processed directly with the suppliers, saving you time and eliminating manual work. This tool is built for both beginners and experienced sellers. Beginners will appreciate its simple integration and easy-to-use interface, while experienced sellers can leverage advanced features like real-time inventory updates and pricing automation rules. These features ensure your store stays up to date with accurate stock levels and pricing changes, helping you avoid overselling or losing margins. Additionally, the integrator supports multi-supplier sourcing, giving you access to a diverse range of products and ensuring you always have competitive options for your customers. Strengths of the Wix Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator include its high level of automation, which minimizes manual work, and its compatibility with Wix's intuitive website builder, allowing for a streamlined setup. The platform also provides built-in analytics and performance tracking, enabling you to monitor sales trends and optimize your product offerings effectively. However, there are a few weaknesses to consider. The integrator's functionality comes at a subscription cost, with more advanced features available only on higher-tier plans, which may not suit sellers with tight budgets. Additionally, some users have noted occasional syncing delays with certain suppliers, especially during peak seasons, which can cause minor disruptions. Finally, while it's easy to use, complete beginners might need some time to fully explore and utilize all the features. In summary, the Wix Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is a valuable tool for automating your dropshipping operations and scaling your Wix store. It's ideal for sellers looking for an efficient way to manage products and orders while expanding their product catalog. Don't forget to check the links in the description to explore the platform and see how it can help you grow your business.